Yo, what's going on? We back at it again. Y'all see where we at. All right, so look, once again, you know what I mean? Let me go on and get this out the way. My channel has been doing very well. Sorry about the wind out here. You can see it's a very beautiful day out here in Kansas City. But my channel's been doing very well. I'm excited about that. I really appreciate y'all for checking me out. Don't forget, man, make sure y'all like and comment, man. Like and comment, you know what I mean? Let me know how y'all liking these videos, how they coming in. Let me know, just give me some feedback. Let me know how everything coming. So, as you can see, we are at a new location. We are at a new location, a new little spot. My boy Josh then got himself his own little shop, man. Shout out to my boy Josh, man. Shout out to him, man. So Josh is the guy that y'all seen when that welded my mass airflow sensor when I first had them problems going on later on. He's the guy that welded those up, man. I can't even talk right now, but he's the guy that took care of that, man. I'm excited about him, man. He got his own little shop going, excited about his journey and everything that goes along with that. So I'm gonna give you a nice little tour of that. Along with that, we picking up a package as well. We picking up a nice little package here. So I'm gonna get y'all to show a nice little unboxing. Well, I can't say a nice little unboxing because I took a little peek in it. I took a little peek, but we're gonna show y'all what's going on with that. So as you see, man, my boy, he didn't came up, man. You know what I'm saying? He was doing work in his garage and everything like that, which was still a beautiful, nice little space. Definitely a nice little space. But like I said, my man that came up, and then shit, let's get a nice little tour going in here. So right off the bat, woo-wee, my boy got it set up. He got it set up real nicely. Definitely got it set up real nicely. So it kind of looked like a store. You know what I mean? For real, when you walk in here, it really kind of looked like a store. Real nice and organized. You can see all the nice little piping and everything that's going on, flanges and everything like that, man. Look at this. Real organized, man. Beautiful, man. That's one thing I like about my man. Very organized when it comes to the work. So you can see some of his machines that he got lined up. Like I said, he was in the garage and now he got a shop. There go my man right here. What's up with my boy? What's up, man? So like I said, this is my man Josh right here. He had welded up my mass airflow sensor, got me together with that. Like I said, this man does some beautiful work. So beautiful work. So as you see right here, right off the bat, man, he was welding some headers that he got in from out of town. People from out of town are tapping in with my man right here. Crazy. The work speaks for itself. The work. So I'm gonna give y'all a nice little tour of the shop real quick. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick little video. We checking in. We got a lot of things to do today, so we just gonna get this out the way. Like I said, I always appreciate my man Josh. You know what I mean? He got. I mean, let's go on and get a nice little zoom in on the banner up here. Like I said, my man got his own shop now. He got his own shop. So tap in with my boy. Definitely tap in with my boy. So as we can see, as we walk around the shop, you know what I mean? You can see some of the things right off the bat. Look at this. Look at this thing. Crazy. Full build. As you see right here, look at the. Josh, if you don't mind, brother, just go on and tell us what we got going over here. I don't want to get the guessing and talking out my ass, you know what I mean? So just kind of tell us what we got going over here, my man.
Just doing a turbo kit on it. It's a BS Racing 92103 air to water intercooler. Mounted the radiator flat underneath the turbo. Gonna do the piping, get it all situated. Fixed the front end, the tubular front end. Did the mounts for the front bumper, and basically she'll be ready to go. Man,
sick. This thing is huge. Goddamn, this thing is big as hell. Now, what size is this turbo right here?
92103.
God damn, 92103. In case y'all didn't hear that, that thing is big as hell. So this motor, from what I was told, is not even just. This is just a mock-up motor, right?
Yeah, I believe this is, the customer said this is just a mock-up motor, and then as soon as I get done, he'll be putting the motor in, and he's gonna run. So
man, insane. Look at this, man. I love the F bodies. I actually want me an F body, to be honest. I don't know what I'm gonna do with one, but I want an F body just because I like how classic they look. But look at this thing. This thing, like I said, is insane. So things as y'all see going on. This thing right here. This thing right here. This is, hey, I ain't gonna lie. This is kind of one of the baddest things on, you know what I'm saying, Kansas City streets. This thing ain't a lot right here. So what we got going on with this? What exactly are you doing with this car right here?
Doing a tubular front end on it. It's a new tubular front end from a company. Gonna install the tubular front end, and then I'm gonna build him a fan shroud for his his trans pillars.
Man. So in case y'all don't know, this is actually a fully built Coyote car. Obviously, as you can see, you know, so it's a Flybo. You know what I mean? Twin turbo. I think right now on low boost, from what I was told, on low boost, it's probably pushing around, you know, 12 to 1300 horsepower or something.
I think it's making.
Ooh wee!
I think that's what it makes.
Good God!
It runs 8.0 at 172 mile an hour.
Y'all heard that, man. Y'all heard that, man. These are real numbers. Real numbers. This, like I said, this is a badass car. Me, I'm not really a Ford guy. But I give credit where credit is due. You know what I mean? I give credit where credit is due. So, as you can see, you know what I mean? Like, this thing is nice as hell. Nice as hell. Look at the fitment. Nice big brakes. This thing is sick. This thing is sick. I thought these were 15s, but these is only a 17 B-lines. Real nice. Real nice. All right, so what we got going on with this thing right here. So let's get a little walk around before we get to talking about it. Nice little Fox body, as you can see. Got a hole right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we doing something right there. We doing something right there. Look at this setup. Look at this setup. Okay. Shout out to you, boy. All right. So what we got going on with this car, Josh?
This car was originally it's a 347 stroker motor with a 76 millimeter turbo T5 tranny. The transmission ended up going out on it, so now we power glided it. We're gonna do rear gears in it, and then we're doing an S480 turbo setup.
Ooh, sounds spicy. It sounds a little spicy. So, like I said, this my man Josh, as you can see, he does it all. He does it all. You know what I mean? He does it all. So, like I said, man, shout out to my man for getting this shop. Definitely excited for my boy. Look at these. Got the meats in the corner. Just tucked in the corner. As you see, garage build racing. You know what I mean? So, all right, and last but not least, we got another Fox. We got another Fox. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold up. Oh, this looks really nice. But my man Josh did not do this work. He only did one thing on here from what he told, but I'm gonna let him explain what he got going on with this. This is actually, do you consider this a race car?
Probably.
Probably.
It's a street car.
You consider it a street car? Okay. All right. So, what exactly did you do on this?
Basically, what I did on this one was cut the radiator tube off and put a 90 on there. That way, it clears.
Turbo. It's the small details in the fabrication when you're doing these things. Like when you're doing these kits, you really don't know how everything is going to go, because most times everybody don't have all the components right then and there. Sometimes they might have little things, some things might be on back order. You kind of really never know. So this right here, he probably had a straight filler neck, and it probably was, you know, crushing it by the pipe and everything like that. So it's the small details that get you going together with this, man. So, man, sick as hell. So we'll go over here, what I actually came here for, and show y'all what I got going on. You know what I mean? What I got going on. So, right off the bat, man, shout out to my man, you know what I mean? He got me together. Look at these. Y'all see what's going on. So these are, as you can see, fuel injector development. 1300s. Now these are some adapters, you know what I mean? Just in case we've got the different, now these for the, like the, what, EV14 plugs or something like that? Or how do these work? I can't remember. So adapters for those. So we'll just kind of move these out the way right now. Hopefully I don't drop them on the ground. These are the money makers right here though. These are, I ain't gonna open them all the way up because I don't want no dirt, you know, all that extra stuff getting in there, but see, I can get a nice little view, as you can see. Okay, my man gonna help me out.
They're still in plastic.
Okay. Ah, okay. Beautiful. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate that, my man. All right, so like I said, we got 1300s right here. 1300s. If you know, or is you know, whatever you want to call it, these ain't no small injectors. These are some pretty big boy injectors. So what we got going on with these right now in the car, we got 850s, FIC 850s in the car right now, which is a really good injector, don't get me wrong, but we're turning up the power. We going for more, you know what I mean? A little more off. So with these, as you can see, like I said, we got 1300s right here. This is a little brand thing, little, whatever you want to call it, off-road use only, like they say. Off-road use only, that's what we're gonna use the car for, off-road use only. But, so, like I said, we turning up the power a little bit. We're gonna see what we can do as far as with the new setup and everything like that. I'll give you an update on those as well. That might be the video before this. We'll see how everything goes before that. Because of course, you know, some of these videos are a little delayed because parts is delayed. You know, everything is delayed. So it's just how shit goes. So we'll see how everything goes as far as that. But I'm excited. I'm excited for everything. I'm excited for the process. I'm excited for my man's, Josh's journey. You know what I mean? Because it only goes up from here. It really does. It only goes up from here. So definitely excited to see what he do. I'm gonna make another video later on today, like I said, just to show y'all just another update of what's going on with the car as well. And we got some more parts up there as well. So I'm gonna give y'all an update on that as well. But until then, we're gonna check out with it, man. We're gonna check out with it. So is there anything, now you got, I know you got a business page. I know you got a business page now, my man. Right. You got a business page. So is there anything you want to shout out? Let the people know, you know, where to find you, where to get any work, any wells, you know what I'm saying? Just tell them a little bit of what you do as far as this shop, or what you plan on doing. What's your future plans?
Basically, hopefully I don't outgrow it, which I mean, clearly I'm pretty close to that.
Pretty close, as you can see.
But I'm gonna be installing a lift in the next month or so. Getting a lift in here. Basically, I do anything tubular stuff, tubular front ends, cages. I mean, I'll do it all. Basically, if you have anything, you're not local, you can ship it to me, I'll weld it, ship it back, have no problem in that. I build intercoolers, build radiators, fan shrouds, catch cans. If you build it with a box, as you see like this, and you can send it to me, I will build it. So
you see it's already prefab and everything, and dimensions cut up. He can get you right together, welded up and everything.
And so yeah, just my page is Transcendent Fabrication and Performance, TFP Fab hashtag. Go on there, hit me up on there, you know, add me as a friend, Josh Triplett. Hit me up on there. Anything I can help with, I'm glad to help. So definitely, man. Hit up my boy. Hey, definitely hit him up. Like I said, real good guy, real cool guy, willing to work with you, whatever you got going on. Definitely will get you together. And like I say, the work speaks for itself. The work speaks for itself. You can't, let's just go on and grab a piece over here. Just show them a little bit of what you doing, man. Just, I mean, this is for an M1 car. This is the small little bitty intake tube.
Man.
So
just a sample, a small sample of what my man does over here. As you see, he got the table over here, full, was it laser table?
That is a flat plasma table.
Plasma table. Look, see, I don't know everything that's going on. You know what I mean? You gotta ask. You know, but we got a full plasma table where he cuts everything out. So, my man, he's official with it. As you see, he's official with it. You know, we ain't cutting no corners over here. He's official with it. So, we about to check out of here, man. I appreciate everybody for checking me out, man. Y'all know what it is. Smash shade on this joint. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Definitely watch the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. We growing every day, and I appreciate you guys. So we out with it. We out.